Okay, here we go. This is the voicemail web interface that is referred to in the email that I sent out to staff. And you'll notice here again is the URL of the voicemail interface. One thing to keep in mind is this is an internal only URL, so you can only access this while you're at school. So that's why it will be important to learn how to fix the bug so that you get notifications if it's outside school hours and you are away and you want to listen to your voicemail. So, um, like I said, you're going to put your computer username and password in here, and that will um, match what's in Active Directory. And then the password is the one I reset it to. And the first time you log in, it will actually make you reset your password. I'm going to sign in here. And you notice right away that it didn't ask me to reset my password because I've already done that step, but it will ask you to reset your password when you log in the first time. So this is the Cisco Unity Connection web inbox. You'll notice I do have a voicemail message here. I can play that message and listen to it on my device, and I can either delete it and mark it unread if I wanted to. I can actually forward it to another user in the system if it was something that I needed to forward to a colleague. Um, you'll notice though that as soon as you listen to the message on the computer here on this website, it will clear the notification off your phone. Uh, so if you do mark it unread, it will cause the notification to pop back on your phone. You can delete it, and it will take the notification back off your phone. You will notice that it does keep your deleted items in a deleted um, folder for a while. They will automatically clear out of there. You can also automatically empty the deleted items as needed if you choose to do so. You don't have to. The system will clean that up for you automatically after a number of days, but you do have that option if you want to. You can always hit refresh here um, if you're just sitting around and you get a voicemail and you can hit refresh and listen. Um, you do have sign out up here, and you do have a phone and computer option. I recommend just keeping it on the computer option, but you can put a phone number in, and when you click play, it'll call the phone number, and you can listen on a phone. So if you do want some privacy for some reason, you can, certainly put your extension in here in your classroom and hit play, and it will call your phone. But most of the time, you're going to want to leave it on computer. So the other big area on this app is the settings, and this is how we're going to fix the email bug. If you click settings, it's going to open another tab here, and you um, might notice this looks a little old-fashioned for a website, but this is the settings for your voicemail. And you see here, you can change your PIN on your phone. You can change the password for the website. That's what the PCA is. Um, you can change some options in here. You can look around. You really can't break anything, but you notice here everybody has a standard greeting. You can actually use your um, computer to record your standard greeting. You can actually, if you want an alternate greeting, you can create an alternate greeting, record it, and you can enable it with no end date and time. You can enable it until a certain date and time. These are just some of the advanced features that are in here, really kind of outside the scope of this video. But the important one here to fix the bug, it will be under notification devices. So if we go to notification devices and view notification devices, you will notice most of you will have, 99% of you should have this enabled for HTML with your email address in the notifies column. If we click that, um, we have a couple options in here. We have it enabled, the email address we want the notification sent to. We have a template here we can choose. Default voice messages with summary is one we've been using. There is another one I created. If you just want one that looks like the old notification, you can choose the GCSC VM template. Up to you here. You can click preview and see a preview of what it looks like. Some of you might have seen this email. This gives you links directly into this web app. So if you like that and you want to use the web app, you can certainly leave that um, template. Like I said, the GCSC template, if we preview it, it just says, dear whoever, we want to let you know, and then the voicemail is attached. So a couple options for the templates you can choose. And then this box is important. Allow voicemails as attachments. That way you get an attachment of the actual voicemail to your email. Notify me in the event of, we want all voicemail messages. And then down here is the important area. You'll notice that we have our hours of operation, our schedule. And most of you should have, 99% of you should have this already all filled and checked. Um, the way to work around this bug, unfortunately, even though I've pushed that out to your settings, it doesn't take effect until you come in here and redo it. So I clear the schedule and then I say from 12 a.m. until 12 a.m. the next day, Monday through Friday, and I click add, and you notice that checks all the boxes. And then I do that for Sunday, and then I do that for Saturday. And then I click save. And then the last thing I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to turn it off, notification enabled. I'm going to hit save again, and then I'm going to check the box to turn it back on and hit save again. If you do that, that works around the bug where it won't send the email as an attachment after 5 p.m. or before 8 a.m. So that's how you work around the bug. And again, you're more than welcome to look up in here and play with any of these settings. You really can't break anything. But those are the settings. This is the inbox to listen to your voicemails that syncs with your phone. If you delete them here, you delete off your phone. And that's it. If you have any questions or problems, fill out a help desk ticket or contact me directly, and we'll try to get you taken care of. Thanks a lot.